Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube subscribe link. You can add a subscribe link to your website, social media profiles, or email signature. When someone clicks the link, they will taken directly to your subscription page. Okay, if you are a YouTuber to get a more subscriber. Now what I'm going to do, open Microsoft Edge and then click on your channel profile icon and select view your channel. At the end of the link you should type question mark, then type of the sub underscore confirmation and equal number 1. This is the subscribe link. Okay, so you have to take a copy, and let me just open the notepad and I'm going to copy this link. Now as you can see, and this is my YouTube channel link. Okay, I'm gonna copy this and let me just test how it's work. I'm gonna go open new tab and paste the subscribed link. When the viewers click on your link, the small pop-up message will come: confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to TechGlob? And these are the way how to create your subscribe link. So try to create like this subscribe pop-up message. And dear all viewers, please do comments in my channel, like and share, subscribe the YouTube channel. See you in the next video.